Hello, this is for our group goal. My group includes Sam, Brian, and me, Philippe. Our group goal was to eat one ghost chili pepper, the hottest pepper in the world, and remain quiet for 5 minutes. And once 5 minutes is over, we are allowed to drink and, we are allowed to quench our spicy mouths. So Kyle, our cameraman, will start the countdown.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. I can't. This is way too funny. I can't. Brian, have you done one before?
No.
Oh crap. Okay. So how are you guys feeling? Oh my god. Philippe, are you crying? Raise your hand if you're crying.
So how much time we got left?
About 2-3 minutes. Alex says soccer. Philippe, are the smoked ones easier than the regular?
You're the same.
How much time left?
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Sam going strong.
Sam's obviously got a technique.
Oh yeah, the air.
It's hilarious.
What's your time?
Another minute.
Sweating.
You too.
Another minute.
Home stretch.
Where'd you guys put your milk?
Mine's on the dresser.
Sam, your voice.
My tongue is numb.
First to laugh.
That was what?
20 seconds. So we doing this again afterwards? I believe. Go.
That's
right here.
This is my group again. This is us after eating the pepper. We did succeed in being silent or almost completely silent for 5 minutes with the pepper in our mouths. This again, so we did accomplish our goal as a group. Here's the label of the pepper. It shows as the Guinness World Record hottest pepper.
Jalapeno is the lowest.
Again, our group members were Sam, Price,
Brian Hendricks.
and Felipe Jack. Bye.